Compatible with Arkon Dual T smartphone holders. Compatible with Magellan RoadMate, Triton, and Maestro GPS units with Dual T slot mounting pattern. Semi-permanent adhesive mount recommended for fleets and service vehicles. Arkon's GN010 SBH adhesive mounting pedestal can be used as a replacement or upgrade to a current mounting pedestal, not a complete solution. Holders sold separately. It is compatible with Arkon's Dual T slot universal smartphone holders, sold separately, including the Slim Grip Ultra Universal Smartphone Holder, SM0602, Slim Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, SM0502, Mega Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, SM0402, and Mobile Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, MG001. The mount is also compatible with older model, 2005 to 2009, Magellan RoadMate, Triton, and Maestro GPS units that featured the Dual T slot mounting pattern. This package includes the 1.5 adhesive mounting pedestal. This low-profile mounting pedestal can be placed on any flat surface, including car dashboards or consoles, computer monitors, or tabletops. Mount using the durable 3M adhesive. Garmin GPS devices can also be mounted to the car's air vent by simply unscrewing the swivel ball adapter and revealing the 17mm ball mount base. Arkon equals quality and functionality. Personally, Arkon is synonymous with quality and functionality. Some time ago, I purchased their car seat rail phone mount and is one of my favorite additions to my car. It was tempting to right vehicle. The purpose of this purchase was to have a phone mount to use at my office desk. Arkon's designs and concept is perfect. The same phone mount used in my car is used for this pedestal thanks to their Dual T tabs.